going on, guys? This is our molecule root lock program. It's good. The technology is not yet available for this, but this is the code. Pause and copy the code yourself. Pause the video and copy the code. Basically, this takes place at it freezes. Say there's a group of molecules that you need to preserve. Ten molecules. We're gonna lock the molecules up. Keep them very still. To preserve the data and the matter. Could be for data preservation and matter preservation. Keep it still. Not to mention, once it's 100% still and locked, we could preserve it for a long time, but we're gonna put it inside a box. It's not a box, and it's a box shape. It's box shape, but it's advanced material, like metal or carbon fiber or whatever. But it's advanced material, and it's an enclosed box. An enclosed box. It's closed up, airtight, and on the inside there are scanners. Right in the middle of the box is our molecules, and there's space around it. Inside the box, there's the box. In the middle of the box is the molecules, and there's the inside the box, but outside the molecules, the empty space around it. There could be particles or molecules, invading particles or molecules that enter it. So with this, there's molecule suckers or attractors. Like they suck out molecules from the empty space and preserve the molecules in the middle, the locked up molecules in the middle. The molecules in the empty space hitting the other molecules, the ones you're trying to preserve, it would cause decay. Even particles hitting it would cause decay. Your matter wouldn't be preserved, or your data wouldn't be preserved. We put particles / molecule suckers on the sides of the box, fully. In the walls of the box, so that it sucks out any invading particles. So your matter and data is preserved. Just like this. There's your preserved particles are the blue molecules. The particles are the things floating around there causing decay, hitting your molecules. Well, we press our particle sucker that are in the walls of the box, and boom! We keep it on. If anything tries to enter, it gets sucked out. Now your molecules are 100% still, and there's no invading particles hitting your molecules causing decay. You could preserve your data and your matter for as long as you want, at least for as long as it allows. The AI was telling me it'll be highly beneficial. You'll be able to preserve data for hundreds of times longer. That's it, guys. That's our Matter/data preservation program. This is a Python project you can do. This is the Python project, the Python coding. It's also a PyGame tutorial. PyGame. Python coding for beginner and advanced alike. Our program is meant for upgrading, improving, developing, and modifying, and it's hardware ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.